Hello, everybody. Yes, my mind might have changed about Top Thrill Dragster just a bit, just by a little bit. So we might be getting a new layout, so that's kind of cool, right? Yep, sure is. So I've been doing some more research, and I've kind of, was wondering, could they actually build a new layout for Top Thrill Dragster in time for 2023? Well, simply put it, maybe. They maybe could. 2024 would be the best option, but 2023 could definitely be a possibility. But, I don't know. I'm not really seeing it, but then again, it's only December. Who knows? They open in, May? So we still have, 5 months to figure this out and see what's actually going to happen, wait for an announcement, all that kind of fun stuff. But for now, I can keep on speculating. So, basically, I was researching how long it takes to get building permits and roller coaster permits in the state of Ohio. And what I found is actually kind of promising, and I'm hoping I'm not wrong about this. So, here we go. In section 901 9-1-01 of the Ohio Administrative Revised Code, under issuance number 2, end quote, the department shall, within 30 days of receiving an application for an amusement ride or device permit, shall decide whether or not to issue a permit, end quote. Now, that was just for operational permits. That's not to build a ride, to approve design plans for a roller coaster or an amusement ride. That was just simply to, that was just like a state certification, like, hey, you can operate this ride. So basically, every single year, all the amusement parks in Ohio have to get a state inspection of all of their rides in their parks to see if they can run for that year. And that's what that was about. So what about building permits? According to the official Franklin County website, building permits are issued 7 to 10 days after full plan approval. Now, here's the really cool part. Roller coasters, at least in the state of Ohio, are not, approved by a building permit office in the county or state that it's in. It's actually approved by the Ohio State Department of Agriculture. So, as a 16-year-old, my thought process is just to combine the two. 10 days for a building permit and around 30 days for an operational permit for a roller coaster. So I'm thinking around 2 weeks to 2 months it takes to, get permits approved for the Ohio State Department of Agriculture for roller coaster design. Now, the design process of, the actual design of a roller coaster could definitely take longer, probably a couple months for a remodel. Demolition permits are also a thing too, so, of course, those have already been dealt with. But I'm assuming they've had half of 2021 and the entirety of 2022 to figure things out, design plans, get approval from the Ohio State Department of Agriculture to get plans for the remodeled Top Thrill Dragster be approved. Now, again, I'm only a 16-year-old. Everything I could be saying could definitely be wrong. So if you're an actual engineer or a government person, or you just know how things work, please let me know down in the comments below. I would actually like to learn some things. So this is just all my speculation. But basically, I think Top Thrill Dragster has enough time to get remodeled for the 2023 season, late 2023 or 2024. So I think we're safe for a 2023 opening, but 2024 is also a really good option too. So yeah, that's just kind of my little research thing. I had that thought one day and I thought, this could actually be a possibility. So let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about this. Am I right or am I completely wrong? Also, this is your reminder to subscribe, because if you've watched this entire video without skipping or anything and you're actually enjoying yourself, this is definitely a good sign that you should subscribe to Great Reproductions today and turn on the notification bell so you never ever miss an upload. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today, and I will see you all later. Bye!